water or at the ground, but yeah, we're turning, we're turning, kind of turning. Audio stuff, it's on now. Oh wait. Oh, it's gonna fall. It's not gonna fall. It's not gonna fall. Come on, let's not fall. Do not fall. We have to land. Oh my god! What's going on? No! We're gonna die! Oh, here's a firework. Oh my god! I think the plane is gonna crash! This is horrible. I have to get out of here! But I can't, I'll just sit! Oh my god, I'm just... Okay, just got a little chat with Sonic, and yeah, this is what happened. Wait a second. Is it actually true that the plane is gonna crash? It's not clickbait? Whoa. If we're gonna fall, we're gonna die! I don't want to die. Come on. Oh, guys, you can buy those bees. You can buy the movie bee. You can buy the evil bee. I bought. So I love your videos from NPCs and suggestions. It's really cool, like Among Us and stuff. So yeah, I buy those. So some of them are 15, some of them is 25. Yeah, I have no idea why they do 2 movies. Oh wait. It crashed? No. Oh, gee. That was close. Oh, I hear firework. Oh no, I died. No, I was so close. Ooh. Oh man. I died. So there's nothing to worry about it. Wait, why do I have an error? Let me go scroll down. Let me just go down. Let me just go down. I'm just gonna go down. Okay, I'm just gonna teleport. Just gonna teleport. Oh, it won't let me teleport because it's fell down. Ah man, I cannot return. Pilot? Why pilot? Wait! Oh my god! Not my health! No! And I died. Oh come on! I died in. Oh man, I'm getting sad. Welcome aboard. Oh, we could go back again. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Wait, welcome up. Is this is clickbait? Yeah, clickbait. I'm gonna find a distract. I mean, like that, but I cannot get out of here. That means I have to wait. Oh, I could go back. Oh, challenging. That's a good idea. Okay, I'll pick challenging. Oh, what? Why that girl called Barbie? That's yeah. Barbie's are for girls. Yeah. I don't. Yeah. That girl must be popular. Whoa, popular on Roblox, better than me. Wait, Wait. Oh, I respawned. I respawned. Oh my god, I respawned. Dang it. I have to sit down, I have to sit down, I have to sit down. Okay, I have to sit somewhere next to somebody. Here. Ah, it's blocked. I have to take this seat. Wait, I can't. Wait, what's going on? Wait, that sounds kinda weird. Whoa! Did it break? Whoa, are we there? Whoa! It broke! I knew it all along. It broke! It broke! I have to get out of here. But I got a slow computer. Low PC. I have to get out of here. Come on! What? Wait, how? Wait, how? We landed? We just landed down. Where are they going? Where are they going? Wait, this broke down. Dang it. Dang it. Oh. It felt like I hear fireworks. But why is the plane crashing so fast? That's kind of weird. Oh, man. Don't worry. I'm gonna be going up. You cannot. I cannot go in. Oh, we're in the second round, so this might be the last round after that. Yeah, last round. Yeah. I hope you guys if you guys will help me how to make a shirt. Comment down below if you wanted to comment me if you. Yeah. Oh, the next round. Wait. Let me escape first. I'm gonna pick challenging again. Oh wait, random. Good idea, random. Oh, I hear firework, guys. Look here outside. I'll show you guys out. Maybe if you like, I'm gonna look outside after the video. So yeah, after the video, trusting your mom. Okay, I got a little chat. Yeah, sitting someone next by. Yeah, and we're kind of fussed. I have to put my seatbelt on. I hope that I have to listen to the rules. What the fuck? You freaking kidding me? Whoa. That's what to be scared about. Oh yeah. Wait a second. What's going on? What's happening? Don't take us down. Don't take us down. If you take us down, we're all gonna die. Don't. Oh, look at the clouds. It seems realistic. What's going on? Nothing? Nothing? No? Nothing? Why is it going to the ground or something? But it's not. It's really weird. It's really weird. Why? Yeah, I'm gonna like have to wait. Oh no! It's gonna take us down! Or it's gonna crash or not. Come on. Hope it's not gonna crash. Oh, it really is gonna crash. Oh, goodbye. Okay, that's it. Goodbye, world. We're all gonna crash. Wait. Dude, don't crash the plane. Don't crash. No, 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 no. Nobody's driving. Oh, dang it. Oh, they're not they're not driving because. Oh no! Engine failure! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! That's horrible! No! 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 Don't crash! Don't crash! Oh no! 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 It can't be! We're gonna crash! Ah! Oof! And it broke down. Why did it? Gotta get out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. This is a stupid crap. This crashed. Whoa. Ah, man, it's yeah. Okay, guys, I have to end the video right now. Make sure to subscribe and like for more videos. And yeah, I love you all on YouTube. And I say Happy New Year 2023. Love you guys. Peace out. Lucky Boyfriend FNF. Love you. Bye.